It's actually not in bad shape.
It's not in bad shape at all. Do we put tarps underneath this too?
No.
When we can't?
Once maybe, but not all the time. I would put tarps up by the doorways.
Yes.
Out of the mud.
Yeah. Yeah, tarps by the doorways are a must. What do we got in the pockets? Random cap and a feather. Not surprised. Oh, blue jay feather. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's got little things for the air conditioners too on either side. Where did that even come from?
Your imagination.
It's right there. It's not from my imagination. You're such a dick. I imagine. What is that? Some kind of like manifestation thing? I manifested a yellow jacket because
Maybe.
I was. Ugh, yeah. I'm gonna manifest some winning lottery numbers. Yeah, our neighbors probably think we're nuts. We totally live in the city, for sure. Like, there's an elementary school behind us. You can probably see our neighbor's house in the backyard, like in the background of the video. So, yeah, I mean, like, our neighbors already know we're nuts, but they're probably praying that we're not going to have some kind of rager party, and that's why we're setting up a tent for our guests. Throwing a kegger or something. I'm kidding. I cannot say what I just saw. Oh, God. Never a dull moment. We'll just put it that way. I don't know what it is about you guys not liking to use the bathroom indoors, but come on now. Must have been the tent. Nostalgia, right? You'll find something to relieve yourself behind. No leaves not exposed.
Something brought some Doritos by our wood pile.
Okay. Honey, I literally was just saying we have an elementary school behind us, and then I walk back there and you're doing your thing.
And you were like...
Oh, God. We're still...
I'm just sitting there thinking, you know how...
We're still...
You know how you can hear my breathing, right? I'm sure. So that's probably not going to be good. Right. Exactly.
Out of Breath Camping Society, part of you too.
I'm getting my water.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm serious. I'm going to let it sit there for a little bit and then we'll put it down.
Yeah.